Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer. Today we are going to talk about packaging. Packing is of particular importance in foreign trade because goods have to travel long distance before reaching their destination. The purpose of packing is to protect the goods and add value to them. Packaging keeps the goods from damage in transport to the point of sale. During the transportation, the goods may bear some risks. We can take some measures related to packaging to prevent risks. Let's see some examples. Here, the carton falls down and gets broken. We can change the packaging like this. Here we can pack the goods with plastic foam material to prevent the shocking and crash. Here, the carton is damaged because of the impact from each other. We can change the packaging like this. Here we use packing material to stabilize the cartons to prevent the swaying of the cartons. Here, the goods suffer moisture damage. We can change the packaging like this. Here we put an indicative mark on the carton. From these examples, we can see the packaging are also very important in international trade. Now let's look at today's learning objectives. First is the types of packing. It will include transport packing, or out packing, and sales packing, or inner packing. Second is packing containers. It will introduce some common packing containers, packing material, and their environmental requirement. Third is to introduce neutral packing, and fourth is about packing mark. Now come to the types of packing. First, transportation packing or out packing. The purpose of transportation or out packing is to protect goods from damaging or stealing, facilitate transporting, loading, unloading, and carrying, economize freight cost, lower possible customs duties and insurance premium, create convenience for storage and check. In out packing, such stuffing materials as paper scrap, paper wool, wood shavings, sawdust, waterproof paper, and different plastics are necessary for prevention of shaking, breakage, dampness, and rust. Second, packing for sale or inner packing. Inner packing is not only designed to protect goods, but also to help customers identify goods, make goods appeal to customers, beautify the look of goods, increase the sales, publicize the goods, help to display and sell goods, make goods easy to carry and use. Now about the packing containers. According to the different packing materials, we can classify the packing containers as paper packing, plastic packing, metal packing, wood packing, ceramic packing, glass packing, and fiber products packing, etc. Let's look at them one by one. Wood packing. We usually use wooden case, barrel, board, and so on. Paper packing. They are carton, paper bag, paper box, paper barrel, corrugated paper. Plastic packing. There are plastic bucket, plastic bag, plastic bottle, plastic box, plastic can. Metal packing. There are metal pail, HXA, metal can. Glass packing. There are glass bottle, glass jar, fiber bag, and so on. ceramic packing, ceramic jar, ceramic bottle, ceramic can, and so on. With the awareness of environmental protection consciousness, many countries ask for the adoption of environmentally friendly packing containers. So, the exporter should know the rules and requirements of the packing in the importing countries. Here are some recycle marks. They are recycle marks related to paper products. They are about aluminum products recycle mark. They are plastic products recycle mark. Now come to neutral packing. Neutral packing is a kind of packing without carrying the name and address of the manufacturer, the origin of country, the trademark, and brand on both outer and inner packages. The purpose of using neutral packing by exporters is to avoid the tariff and non-tariff barriers of some countries or regions, or meet the special demand of the transportation. Now let's see packing mark. In order to identify the packages easily at the port of destination, the outer packing must be clearly marked with the identifying symbols and numbers in accordance with the instructions of the customer. We have three categories like shipping mark, indicative mark, and warning mark. First, shipping marks. Shipping marks indicates where the products are made, where the products are shipped, and the order number of the goods and the identity of the goods. Second, indicative and warning marks. Indicative and warning marks are in words or simple eye-catching and easy understood drawings to remind and warn the relevant persons to pay attention and ensure the safety of both operators and goods. Now let's see some packaging details for different products. Ladies' belt. Put 1 piece into a small OPP bag, 12 pieces into a bigger OPP bag. Wrap in protective air bubble. Outside packed by standard export carton. Custom packaging accepted. Chewing gum. 12 units per box. 18 boxes per carton. Total 216 units per carton. Scarf. Standard seaworthy packaging for long-distance transportation. 1 piece per polybag. 10 pieces per polybag. Then carton. Carton size 55 times 40 times 50 centimeters. 180 pieces per carton. Size of carton can be customized. Women's bag 25 pieces per carton, approximately. Carton size 45 times 40 times 40 centimeters. Gross weight, net weight 12 kilograms. 20-foot GP containers 950 pieces. 40-foot GP container 2,000 pieces. Well, today we have talked the function of packaging and its types, packing containers, packing marks, and packaging details. After we understand packaging, next time we are going to talk about how to make requirements about packaging. Thanks for watching. See you next time.